Them on point.
What's that? What? Where exactly are you heading to? Because you are looking lovely. What are you doing? Oh, what? What's this? London. Excuse me? Excuse me?
Gachokuru. I can break it down. What are you doing?
What does it look like?
Why are you dressed like this?
Oh, this? Actually, did you hear me? I'm behaving the way I will behave over there in London. In London.
What?
London.
Married woman like you. What are you going there to do?
I am the one going. My husband is not going. So I'm going to represent. I'm going there.
To do what?
To represent.
Represent who? Oh, you want to take my
country?
shine? You want to take my shine? Huh?
Which shine?
Me that is going to Obodo Ibo because of Queen Eliza's son. Captain has already told me that Queen Eliza's son is meant for me.
You can check and walk Ruga. Onya? Which Queen Elizabeth?
I don't understand.
Which Queen Elizabeth's son? I hope you're not. Don't even go there. That is my target, and we've been chatting.
Yeah, who chatting? Old woman like you. You better step back with your husband. You're not the happening chick in this town. Don't mess with me.
You don't look lovely,
I don't understand.
You don't look lovely,
You know what? I don't have your time. Excuse me.
Well, all the same, that's lovely, We are still on the same page. Lovely, Lovely, That's lovely,
Captain, that is the money.
All your family?
Yes.
Everybody?
Yes.
Is going?
We are going.
So everybody's going, eh?
Yes, Captain.
Yes. In that case, you have won yourself a green visa, brown visa, white visa, and then London Bridge visa.
Wow.
Everything is complete now. All your family. The only thing you will do for me now, go home, tell your family everybody should start washing off their clothes.
Okay. And
tell your wife, please, very important. That very cloth which you wear come my house the other day.
Okay.
That one, bam, is no-go area. And don't mururu, please let them wash their clothes properly. Because London is allergic to odor and inherit and old things. He said we shall be made new once we land into the London Bridge. You understand what I mean?
Captain, it won't be a problem. If it means buying clothes for my family, then I will buy it. I will do that. Yeah, I will do it.
That's good.
Okay.
I love your spirit.
Thank you. But don't forget to write our name.
Oh.
Don't forget.
Forget it. That one is nothing. You have already written your name by yourself with yourself.
Okay,
the money you gave to me have landed you into green card, green visa,
wow,
white visa. In fact, look at you. Look at Queen Elizabeth. The family, the Queen Elizabeth.
Yeah, Captain. It's
all right.
I'll take my leave now.
Better.
Okay, thank you.
Better.
Thank you, Captain.
I don't want people to see us around because we are not in the same class.
Yeah. I know that, but we'll soon be.
It's in God's hands.
Yeah,
anyway.
Yeah.
All right.
I'll leave now.
Oh, yeah, leave. They should take their bed properly, oh.
Thank you.
Obiada da nwa. Hi. Obiada da nwa.
Mama.
Nwanjeko.
You look different.
Nwanjeko. Nwe mebie n'ihe m. Chai. Ebe anya gị nọ. Nwanjeko.
You look good.
Thank you.
This is how you should be dressing. Because very soon your dress mood or your dress code will change. You start dressing like Londonese. Overall, they add they got your small flowers, winter jacket, and all that. I trust you. Sit down, please, guys. Excuse us. I be London captain. Your visa dey my hand. So how have you been?
Hey, personal assistant to London returner.
Number one.
Hey, mom.
My dear.
Hey, I can't even go out again. When I go out, everybody wants to associate themselves with me. Eh? One wants to shake me. The other one wants to carry my load. Other ones are fighting because of me. Nam. All this is just because of you. Hey!
Mama. Remember I was telling you before that God has his way of blessing people. You see it? Onye buru ụzọ gbapụ ọsọ mgbe ụfọdụ na ebu ụzọ agbaru. It's not the person that first of all take off, the first reach where they go.
At all.
Oh, life is all about a gradual process, one after the other. Then give me ibutere chiguzo ga gbagbu onwe gị n'ọsọ. Can you see it? You're talking about yourself. Just go around. People fight because they want to just have a handshake with me.
You see?
Ana me efezi efe. I was in nwa na efe. I was in nwoke na ebecha.
Obiada. What about your madam?
Oh, my madam is fine. She was sleeping when I left the house. Okay. She asked me to get her some fruits. And you know, all these ladies that return from London, they love junk food well. Yeah. They like can pass any other thing.
Hey.
So I say, make I carry motor, come out. I will do quick and go back to the house before she wake up.
You mean you discuss with your madam freely?
Who am I to her? I am her personal PA, for crying out loud. I should discuss with her. In fact, I do even eat with her from the same plate. There's something she brought home. All these London chocolates. No, the thing. If sometimes she will croak on him, don't worry, Mama. When it's time for that, I will do it. All of us are going to London. Of course, you know that.
I know. Hey.
Oh my God.
Hey, we are lifted already.
Oh, so lifted.
God has lifted us up.
Pompa Tiwago.
Chai.
I know no fe. I said, happy kalamo. When I know him no fe. When I know my Susie. Hey, poto no fe. Hey, happy. Mama. Where are my other boys, the two of them?
They said they were hungry, that they want to go and eat. That was what they told me, and then...
What? They want to go and do what? How dare they live without my instructions? How can they leave this compound without my orders? Who asked them to leave? Did I give permission? Is that what they will do in London? When Queen Elizabeth says stay here, they will leave. Even if they are hungry, they should wait until I am back. They should wait until I give orders. What is wrong with them? See, if those boys do not take care, if care is not taken, I am going to sack them and replace them with other people who are interested. What nonsense! How can they leave this apartment? Who did they leave you for? What if people come in here and vandalize the whole house? What will happen to you? Come on! You have a London personality, so you need to be guided.
Yes.
What nonsense! Why would they leave the house without my orders? Who asked them to leave? How would they leave this house without telling me? I don't like it. I don't like it at all. See, let me tell you. I hate it when people take me for granted. I am going to deal with them seriously. What nonsense! Do they know who I am?
Sorry.
Guys! Will you come here fast? I be London captain, your visa dey my hand.
I hope all of
said
you
I
heard
am London
what
captain,
I was ranting
visa
about.
full my hand.
I hope you guys heard what I'm saying.
Yes, London Captain.
The next time any of you will leave this compound without my orders, I am going to fire the person. Is that understood?
Yes, London Captain.